Focaccia bread is a great complement to just about any meal. You'll need warm water for this recipe, so start by heating 1 1/4 cups of water. Then add your dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Followed by the wet ingredients. Use the paddle attachment, add the warm water, and start mixing on low, then gradually increase to high speed. Then beat at high speed for 3 minutes. You can use an 11 by 17-inch baking sheet, which you would need to spray with baking spray. I'm going to use 2 cast iron skillets. You would want to coat the bottom with either avocado or olive oil. After 10 minutes, remove the pan from the oven and add the toppings: extra virgin olive oil, fresh or dried herbs like basil or rosemary, then a little grated Parmesan, grated Romano cheese, and some garlic powder. Return it to the oven and bake another 10 minutes, this time on the lowest rack of your oven. Focaccia bread is great right out of the oven. Pair it with butternut squash and sausage soup, health nut salad, or just about any meal. Thanks for watching. Hit the cupcake to subscribe and receive new recipes each week.